Hello, grade 7, how are you? So today our lesson is about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. First, read this story about four friends were walking in a nature trail in their local park. They began to question whether or not the trees need to breathe or need food like humans do. How are their thoughts? Who do you agree with most? Katie said that I think the plants need to eat but don't need to breathe. Hugo said that I think that plants need to eat and need to breathe, but Daniel said that I think the plant need to breathe but don't need to eat. Liam said that I don't think plants need to eat or breathe. So who do you agree with most? So do you think plants need to breathe or to eat like us, or they don't need, or only they need to breathe, or only they need to eat? So what do you think? Very good. So the best answer is Liam. I don't think plants need to eat or breathe. Plants take in gases from the atmosphere, but they do not breathe in and out in the way that humans do. Plants require food molecules for the matter and energy to carry out life processes, but do not eat to obtain those food molecules. They produce them in the process of photosynthesis. So what do you mean of photosynthesis? First, let's watch this video to see the phenomena in action. So after you watch the video, what did you note in the video? Record your observation below. Why do you think this phenomena is occurring? What do you think about the video? Very good. So the plants were moving and following the light. This is because plants need sunlight to survive. So always the plants following the light because they need sunlight to survive. Now, plant structure. Examine the leaf cross section below. How do you think sunlight is absorbed by a leaf? How are other materials necessary for survival, such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, and other nutrients moved through a leaf? So this is a cross section of leaf, and these are the parts of the cross section of leaves. Now, how do you think sunlight is absorbed by leaf? What do you think? So the answer is I think sunlight moves through the top layer to the layers below. I think the vascular tissue moves material through the leaf. Now let's watch this video to know what do we mean of photosynthesis process.
Plants, algae, and some bacteria capture light energy from the sun and convert it to chemical energy in a series of reactions called photosynthesis. These organisms produce carbohydrates from simple building blocks like water and carbon dioxide from the environment, and in the process, they release oxygen. Photosynthesis nourishes almost the entire living world.
So as you watch at the video, photosynthesis leaves are the sites of photosynthesis in plants and some unicellular organisms such as plants, algae, phytoplankton, or any other microorganisms like kelp obtain energy from sunlight through a process of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a series of chemical reactions that convert light energy, water, carbon dioxide into food energy molecule glucose and give off oxygen. So again, the site of photosynthesis is the leaves of the plants. Very good. So plants and other unicellular organisms like phytoplankton, algae, kelp, they are use light to produce their food in a process called photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a series of chemical reactions convert light and of course light energy from sunlight and water, carbon dioxide, into food energy molecule glucose, and they also give off oxygen. The sugar produced in photosynthesis can be used immediately or it can be stored for growth or later use.